Hey YouTube, it's SJ and I am back with another sneaker unboxing. Haven't done one for a while and then you get two from me in just a few weeks. This is a very special blazer. It was sent to me by one of our lovely viewers out there, so thank you very much. Super kind of you. And I'm going to do this unboxing as we normally would. So I'm going to flick to camera number 2. So these are, and you'll know if you've read the title, they're the SB Zoom Blazer Low Canvas Deconstructed. They are a UK 6, US 7, European 40. The code is AH3370300 and they are clay green. So before I open these, many of you will remember that back in, I think it was January 2018, I bought a pair of Deconstructed Blazers, which I didn't wear for ages. Then I wore all last summer. Well, pretty much that's all I wore, not last summer and the summer before. And they kind of got trashed and I couldn't get another pair. So this is the next best thing, people. It is the next best thing. Because I could not find those sneakers anywhere. I was so annoyed that I trashed them. So these are the canvas version of those beloved Deconstructed Blazers. They're in this really nice sort of grey green. Can't talk. Grey green. There we go. So take a look at that, Mr. B. Now they're made from canvas, but the material itself looks almost like a linen. They are super nice. They're just a really nice clean blazer. Then there's no hype with these, you know, as I said, these came out, I'm sure it was January 2018. So these would have been out exactly the same time as my other pair. But just super nice. It's just a really nice green. Let's take a look, Mr. B, on old sneaker cam. These really nice fat laces as well, which I'm not going to swap out. I just like them as is. Same colour all the way around. And then I'm just going to flip this to the overhead. Whoop. Look at that. That popping sole in like a salmon pink. I mean, you're not going to miss me walking along in these. Just a really nice blazer. Unfinished tongue as well, as you get on a blazer. Just super clean. And on the back as well, you've got Nike typed in that sort of vintage style font that they've used on all of their blazers recently. Look at that. It is just a clean, super clean sneaker. And as I said, you know, I love those Deconstructed Blazers so much. So for somebody to find and hunt me down these, this actually meant a lot. Like really did mean a lot. So thank you so much. You know who you are. So I really love these and had to do a proper unboxing video of them. As I said, there's no hype for these sneakers. I'm not even sure where you can find them now, but I just love them because these are going to get worn so much. But I don't want to ruin them like my last pair. I don't want to ruin them. No, I'm just going to bring them in just to show how nice they are. The sneaker cam, Mr. B, just look. Just nice, plain, understated. Look at that. Look at that. It takes that to you, camera 2, because you haven't had much love. Look at how nice that is. It's a really nice canvas. As I said, it looks more like a linen, the way the material is, and then you've got that sole, which is that popping sole. So it's a really super short video, but I wanted to get it out there just because, as I said, I love those other ones so much, and these are just super nice, super nice. So I know that there's not much to say about these, but if you like these, leave us a comment below, give this video the old thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and don't forget to come along and join us for Sneaker Streaming Sunday, which is every Sunday around 8 PM here in the UK, which is 12 PM on the West Coast, 3 PM on the East Coast. And there's also the Wednesday Waffle, where we talk absolute nonsense about sneakers and pretty much anything. It literally is very much a waffle, and that is at 8:30 UK time, which is 12:30 on the West Coast and 3:30 on the East Coast. So come along and join in that sneaker chat. And I'm out of here because I can finally try and put these on because I wanted to do this video. So they've been sort of sat there now for about 10 days. I think it's 10 days. And I've been like, I really want to put these on, but I want to get this video done. So yeah, I'm gonna go. What do you think, Mr. B? You like these?
I do, I really like them. I really love that colour. I think the dog likes them as well.
The dog has just suddenly started going mental.
Yeah,
Huxley, we haven't done the Huxley test for a while. Huxley, do you like these? Do you like these? Is that a yes? I think that was a yes. If you saw that, that was a yes on the dog. And on that note, I'm out of here. See you later, guys. Bye.